was Yamna.
Hello my friends, this is Miss Yumna Yahya. Are you ready to listen, blend and have so much fun? Let's go!
3, 2, 1, let's start. Part 5.
A, cake. A, cake. B, bike. Bike. Boat. Boat. Rope. Rope. Rain. Rain. Nose. Nose. Kite. Kite. Goat. Goat. Home. Home. Cube. Cube. Light. Light. Mute. Game. Game. Lime. Lime. Bake. Bake. Now it's your turn. I'll say the sounds. You are going to blend it. Cake. Super. Bike. Good job. Goat. Super. Now, look at this. Can you see this volcano? Let's try to blend the sounds together before it erupts. Rain. Good job. Nose. Super. Kite. Now let's play a game. Can you see these pictures? I'll tell you some sounds. Let's plan them and make a word, then choose the correct picture. Goat. Make the word goat. Super. Where is the goat? Is this the goat? No, it's not. Yes, this is the goat. Super. Pine. Super. Now where is the pine? Is this the pine? No, it's not. What about this? No, it's not the pine. Where is the pine? Yes, good job. Pine. I can see a pine. Guys, today we've gained a lot of stars. Let's count the stars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. God, we've gained 15 stars today.
Don't forget to come back and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.